This is the Simmons 8842 plunger assembly. It will work for the models 800, 4800, and the 5800 series yard hydrant. So we'll go ahead and get it out of the packaging here and take a look at it and get a couple measurements as well. So it is a hard rubber material, and then have that steel rod there, and you can see the internal female threads on the inside there as well. We can go ahead and take a couple measurements of the plunger assembly, starting with a total length. I'll measure right at about 1.75 inches. And we can also get an outer diameter of this end with those threads. That'll measure right below 1 inch and 3/4 of an inch. And yeah, once again, this is the Simmons 8842 plunger assembly.